Welcome to our pot washing procedure using the three-compartment sink system. This method ensures your cookware is thoroughly cleaned, rinsed, and sanitized the right way. Before washing, always begin by removing any leftover food or residue from the pots and pans. This helps improve the effectiveness of the cleaning process. In the first sink, we wash the pots and pans using TCL Super Concentrated Pot Washing Detergent. At a standard dilution ratio 1 liter of chemical to 200 liters of water, to scrub and clean all surfaces of the pots and pans thoroughly. Next, move pots and pans to the second sink compartment to rinse the cleaned items. Use room temperature water to rinse off any detergent residue. In the third sink, sanitize the cookware using TDX Liquid, a chlorine-based disinfectant. Dilute TDX through TCL Dilution System at ratio of 1 liter of chemical to 500 liters of water. After dilution, make sure the chlorine concentration is within 50 to 100 ppm for safe and effective sanitation. Fully submerge the items in the solution and allow proper contact time to ensure complete disinfection. After sanitizing, there is no need to rinse the pots and pans again. Simply place them in a clean, dry area and allow them to air dry completely before use or storage. By following this three-sink method and using TCL's reliable products and dilution systems, you'll ensure proper hygiene and safety in every wash. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more cleaning protocols and professional kitchen care tips. TCL. Because we care about your kitchen sanitation and hygiene standard.